In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now, open up your Trust Wallet. You need to be sure of the network of USDT you want to get, right? So if you click on this Manage Crypto, if you come on here, if you type on USDT, you're going to see a whole lot of different chains, like different network where you can see USDT. There's USDT of BIP20, Tron, Ethereum. So select the one you want to select, right? They say if you want to use Ethereum, click on it, turn it on. Come on here, click on this. Click on receive, right? So you want to send USDT BIP20, sorry, we want to send USDT 8 from our Binance to Trust Wallet. Now we have copied our Trust Wallet USDT Ethereum, right? So copy it, copy Binance, click on this, click on withdraw, click on this, paste the wallet address here, right? Paste the wallet address here, then click on this network, select Ethereum, right? So enter the amount you want to withdraw, click on the withdraw. Now do the verifications. Once you are done, you're going to be able to send the USDT from your Binance to Trust Wallet. You can still do this for the other networks, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'm going to see you in the next video.